Here we present our work, Wave-Assisted Propulsion, an experimental study on traveling ships, published in Physics of Fluids. A submerged hydrofoil undergoes flapping motion in waves, facilitating the conversion of wave energy into thrust. By attaching the hydrofoil to the ship's hull, we can generate green propulsion to assist the ship's power system. The experiments were conducted in a towing wave tank at Cranfield University. The schematic sketch in Figure 1 illustrates the experimental setup, with the foil fixed under the middle of the ship hull. The towing carriage runs freely along the rails and connects to the ship's head using a fishing line. During the experiments, force and pitch were recorded using a load cell and an inclinometer, located at points B and A. Thrust and fuel cost reduction can be calculated. We considered different towing speeds and wave conditions. Results on this slide include the recorded force time history and the averaged force variation against towing speed. In Figure 3, we clearly observe stable oscillations between 10 seconds and 40 seconds, where the force with the foil is smaller than that without it. The difference between them represents the generated thrust. In Figure 4, it can be observed that the averaged force, as well as the thrust, display an increasing trend as the towing speed changes from 0.35 to 0.55 meters per second. Furthermore, the fuel cost reduction summarized from the experiment series ranges from 10.3% to 20.4%. Previous research concerning the pivot has mainly addressed its location within the foil's geometry. In this slide, we introduce the mathematical expression of the motion with an outside pivot, which is more complex than that of an inside pivot. The hydrofoil motion with an outside pivot better suits the ship foil model. Additionally, we propose an improved Struhal number, which considers the superposition of ship travel, ship response, and the hydrofoil's motion.